Right, so in this exercise we're going to go through and set up some levels. I'm going to open the file. By default we're on the floor plan, and to have a look at the levels we've got to go to the north elevation. Zoom into one of the corners, we can have a look at, we've got level 1, level 2, and the first thing we want to do is change some of the names. So let's click on where the level 1 word is and just retype what it is. It throws up an error. If you want to rename it, we go yes. And what it will rename is, instead of these views being called level 1, they'll be called first floor. Likewise with the second floor. Now the height between them is a little bit not what we want. So again, instead of clicking on the name, we want to click on the value. And we can adjust the floor height. Or we can adjust the temporary dimension. Now we want to make some more of these up, so we can go to the level command. We can use the pick option. And we're going to offset this a certain distance. And then as we hover over something, a little line comes up, a little green line around about here. That indicates where the next element is going to be. So it's level 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more above there. And then we want to put 2 levels below the first floor as well. Top here, we want to create one more level. So let's create the offset. But instead of creating a plan view for that level 12, we want to do the same thing, but we want to untick make a plan view. And one isn't made. We can do the same thing, we want to rename these, so let's rename this to parapet, roof, and then we want to rename all the other levels as well to match these ones here. Now, once we've done all those, we then might want to come down to the bottom and have a look at these levels here. So the first thing we want to do is have a look at the names. And then we then want to have a look at the heights. Now when these symbols are overlapping, you can select one of the levels, and then there's a little squiggle. When we click that, we've then got the option of adjusting it. Once that's all done, again, we can right mouse click and zoom to fit. Here is our project.